Hi, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we will walk through how to make Illustrator files smaller, using a quick and effective method that helps reduce file size without losing quality. Step 1. Start by going to the top menu and clicking on File, then choose Save As to open the Save options. This step is important because it lets you control how the file is saved and optimize for size. Step 2. In the Save As window, change the format to Adobe PDF, which keeps good visual quality while managing file size efficiently. Step 3. Before saving, make sure to untick the option called Preserve Illustrator Editing Capabilities. This is a key step because it removes extra editing data that increases file size but is not needed for final output. Step 4. Click Save and then click OK. When the PDF settings window appears to finish the process, your file will now be much smaller and easier to share, upload, or store. Thank you for watching Techie Dialogue, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more quick and useful Illustrator tips.